What was the Supreme Court's ruling on the Pentagon Papers? Imagine uncovering a secret history that reveals how governments hide the truth from their people. That's what happened with the Pentagon Papers, a secret report about the Vietnam War. The question is, what did the Supreme Court decide about this? The court ruled in a 6-3 decision that the First Amendment, which protects free speech and press, prevents the government from stopping the publication of these documents. They said the government had not shown enough reason to justify stopping the newspapers from publishing. The case involved the New York Times and the Washington Post, which started publishing parts of the Pentagon Papers in June 1971. The Nixon administration argued that publishing these papers could harm national security and the war effort. But the court decided that the government's reasons were not strong enough to justify censorship before publication. They emphasized that the press has a vital role in checking government power and informing the public. The ruling made it clear that the government cannot use national security as an excuse to hide the truth from the people. This decision was a big win for freedom of the press and helped shape how Americans viewed their government during the Vietnam War. It also showed that investigative journalism and whistleblowers are essential in exposing government actions that might mislead the public. The court's decision reinforced the idea that a free press is a key part of democracy, especially when a government's actions are controversial or secretive. Overall, the ruling protected the right of the press to publish important information and set a strong precedent for future cases involving government censorship. It was a moment that highlighted the importance of transparency and the power of the media to hold those in power accountable.